Okay, so we're going to look at adding, but using partitioning. So the first thing we need to do is to partition the numbers that we have. So we have 300, 80, and 7. And we have 40, and we have 6. So we're going to take our 300, and because we haven't got any hundreds in our second number, we don't need to add anything to it. So the answer is just going to be 300. Next part we've got is 80 and 40. So we know we can do 8 add 4, which is, we can do 8 add 4, which is 12, and then bring the 0 over as well, because we're talking about tens, so 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. And then we have 7 add 6. 7 add 6 is 13, and if you notice I'm keeping them then underneath the ones that are above in the right columns, okay, because we haven't got any hundreds there. I'm just going to put a 0 down. So now when I add that up, I will have 0 and 0 and 3 in the units. So we've got 3 in the units. 0, 2 and 1. So we've got 3 in the tens. And 3 and 1 and 0, 4 in the hundreds, which means we have 433. So we're saying we've got 300 add 100. So this is a slightly different way you can do it. 300 add 100 is 400. We've got 400 add 20 is 420. Add 10 is 430. And then we've got the extra 3, so it's 433. So you can either break it up and add the hundreds like that, or you can put it into a simpler little column at the bottom there by putting them over each other. Let's try another one just to check we're okay with those. Sorry about that. Okay, so let's do 459 add 76. Okay, so we're going to partition. So we've got 459, and we've got 70, and we have 6. So we're going to do 400. We're not going to write that down this time because we know that's just going to be on its own. So we're going to do 50 add 70. So 5 add 7 is 12. So let's check. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. So there's our 12 with a 0 on the end, 120. And then we have 9 add 6, which is 15. So I can say, well, I've got 100 plus, don't forget this 400. So 100 add 400 is 500, plus 20 is 520, plus 10 is 530, plus 5 is 535. So it's just breaking it up a little bit more. Let's try another one. This time we'll do 3 digits for both parts. So we'll do 376 plus 149. Okay. So we've got 376, and we have 149. So we start with the 300 and the 100. So 300 plus 100 equals 400. Then we'll go to the 10. So we've got 70 add 40 equals 7 add 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Bring the 0 over. Let's check that by count up in 10. 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. So that's correct. And then we have our units. So 6 add 9 equals 15. And now we can break that up. So we've got 400 add 100, which makes 500. Plus, we've got 10 and 10, which makes 20. And plus, we have 0, 0 and 5. So it's a slightly different way of writing it out. So it's whatever way works best for you. So we've got 525, which is our final answer.